Hello guys, welcome to Smart Tutorial, and today I am going to show you the Selenium locators. So what is Selenium locator? Locators are defined as an address that identify a web element within the web pages. So locators are basically used for locating the web element on web page. It is a command tells Selenium which UI element like text box, buttons, checks, boxes it needs to operate on. So the term web element refers to a HTML element. The HTML documents are composed of HTML element. It consists of start tag or end tag and the content in between. For instance, a HTML element is written as tag name, content and slash tag name. So for locating the web element, we use two method which is called find element method, which is used in Selenium, and find element method is used to uniquely identify a one web element within the web pages, whereas find elements method is used to uniquely identify the list of web elements within the web page. So now I am going to show you the list of locators of Selenium. The locators are ID locator, name locator, link text as partial link text locator, CSS selector, and XPath. So what is ID locator? The ID locator is the most popular way to identify web element is to a user ID. We just take ID value for locating the web element. And the next one is name locator. This is also an effective way to locate an element with a name attribute. So next one is link text as partial link text. A link text in Selenium is used to identify the hyperlinks on the web page. It is determined with the help of an anchor tag. So for creating the hyperlinks on the web page, we can use an anchor tag followed by the link text. And the fourth one is CSS selector. The CSS is mainly used to provide style rules for the web page, and you can use it for identifying one or more elements in the web page. The CSS selector is always the best possible way to locate complex element in the page. And the last one is XPath, and XPath in Selenium is an XML path used for navigation through the HTML structure of the page. Okay, and now I am showing you the Selenium script. So here I am, this is my script. I am import these files, and this is my class program, and this is the main method, and after that I will means write every script. So after main method I will give the path of the driver. After writing this system.set property, I will give the path of the web driver. Means for the set the path or the driver for the respective browser. Okay, and keep it in mind, give the double slash, because if you put the single slash, the program will show you the error, so please don't do that. And after that I am using the Firefox browser, so I will make the object for the Firefox like a web driver equals to new Firefox driver. So I am making this object for the web browser for communicating the browser and the Selenium script. And after that I will give this line, means statement for hitting the URL of Facebook or opening the URL of Facebook. And after that I will use one by one each and every path of the Selenium, means each and every locators of the Selenium. So guys, just see that I will first I use the ID locator. So you can just open the Firefox Mozilla. Just open the full Facebook. I am just showing how to take the means web element from the web pages. Okay, just do the right click on inspect element. So this is a mailbox. Okay, just click on it and here it's showing. So I am taking ID, so the ID value is email. Just see, the ID value is email, so just copy this value, just do right click, copy this value and paste this value in these boxes and just give the value in these boxes. So I'm just giving the ID value and just send the values through send keys ASDFGK. Okay, in email ID text box. Now I'm taking the XPath of password. Just go in Firefox. This is password box. Click on the password. Okay, this is for password. So in password I am just do the right click on it and I just take the XPath. Okay, then I will put the value, paste the value here. Okay, and just give the means value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 in password through send keys. After that I will take the name text box on the same way. This is for login button, so click on login button, click on it and just search where is the name. This is the name and this is the value of name. So I am taking the name locator and their value is name locator value is login. Just copy it and paste it here. Okay, and just use the click method for clicking that login button. This is a small program but I am showing each and every locators of Selenium through this program. And after that I am just taking the CSS selector. This CSS selector I am taking for forget password button, means forget password link. Just click on it. This is forget password. Okay, and this is forget password. You want to take CSS selector. Okay, so click on right, copy it, and this is CSS selector. You can take it and just paste the value of the CSS selector on it. Give the click method and this is link text. Okay, and just I'm showing the each and every locator of the Selenium. Now I am closing every browser. Okay, so this is my program. Now I am going to run this program. So the means is redirect to the Firefox Mozilla. Just see, and it will open the Facebook automatically. Then it will give my values and click on login forget button and the link means footer links which I will give the value. Okay, and this is automatically it's run. So if you have any query related to this, so please comment me. And thanks, and wait for my next tutorial. Thank you guys.